Welcome to Blonde Cards and Crafts. Let's make something together. Hello crafters and welcome to my craft room. Today I'm going to unbox the goodies that we're going to get in the July kit from Lizi. So as you can see, they come in a Ziploc bag, and this is to help protect them when they're in transit. I also have some extras in here. These are from the add-ons that you can get. So I'll move the box out of the way and let's have a look at what comes inside the Ziploc bag. So let's start with the cardstock that we get in the kit. We always get 5 sheets. Sometimes Lizi will add some extras in, but today we have 5 sheets in our box. We have a white piece. These are American size A4, and the white one you can use for doing alcohol, markers, stamping, etc. We've got this lovely midnight blue or a navy blue. We have this lovely, it's kind of a flesh pink color, really nice. We've got this gorgeous mint green, and then finally this lovely summer yellow color. In the kit we also get this piece of material. It's like a netting, and it's got these it's like iridescent shiny threads going through it. So Lizi likes to throw unusual things into our kit. Now this could be used as a shaker. You could have this as your screen instead of using acetate. You could use a piece of this. You could cut a strip of this and make a lovely little glittering bow. Lots to do. It's just a matter of using your imagination with this piece in the kit. We also get 2 12 by 12 cut apart sheets. Now Lizi does cut them down for us. I'm just going to work out which ones go with which. Okay, so they go together and these two go together. I think it actually goes this way. Yes, okay. It took me a minute there to figure it out, but there we go. So this is our 12 by 12 cut apart sheet. You have your lovely pattern paper on the back for larger shaped or sized projects. So there's some nice empty ones here that we can stamp a sentiment on. We have 3 lovely long strips with words and images and pattern paper. You can stamp in here as well. And we have You Totally Can, Find Heart, Fierce Mind, Brave Spirit. Oh, it's kind. Sorry guys, Find Heart. Kind Heart. Oh my goodness. Then Grow Through What You Go Through. Magic, Delightful, Together, Darling. Oh, Daring. Oh my gosh, I can't find my words today. I think it's the end of this old COVID bug. I've got like, my brain isn't working. Sparkle, Magical, Imagination, and Grateful. So they are the first cut apart sheet. I'm going to put that down there and sit this on top. Then we have these two, and it's a lovely stripy pattern on the back. So we have I Love Your Smile, I Love You With My Whole Heart, Love Yourself, Keep on Smiling, Dreaming, A Simple Hello, and then we have some blank cut aparts that you can stamp on or just use to layer. So there's our 2 12 by 12 sheets that have been cut down. Let's have a look at the pattern paper now. And again, this is a replica of one of the 12 by 12 cut apart sheets. This pattern paper is larger than what we normally get. So it's 6 inches wide, but it is 8 inches long, or 8.5 if you allow for these strips. So for me, this is perfect because I love to make 6 by 6 inch cards and 5 by 7 inch cards. So these pattern papers are going to be perfect for me in my makes, but you can cut them down to go with the smaller American size A6 cards. So again, we have the same cut aparts. They're single-sided, so I'm not going to be straining myself with picking out which pattern paper I like best. And I'm just going to quickly flick through them here so you can have a look. Absolutely lovely. This one looks like it has foiling on it. It could just be the light on my camera, but it does give that impression. I love this one. And I love this, the strip with the little daisies. This one has foiling on it as well. Love that. So cute. We get tickets. These you can cut apart, or you can just use it as a piece of pattern paper. Oh, beautiful. I really love the colors in this. I'm really drawn to the color palette. This is fab. Again, the cut apart, the same as this, but on these they have foiling on some of them, which is super cool. So if you like making the A6 size cards, you'll love this. Such cute birds. Our rainbow, so cool. And then these are like little flowers, little tulips, and that's it. So that is our 6 by 8, if you don't allow for this strip here at the top, paper pad. Lovely. Next we have some puffy stickers, and again these are all go with the images that come in the kit. I just love these. Love the hearts and everything. Brilliant. So these will add a nice little extra. We have 2 cards and envelopes. One is a 5 by 7 card base. It's a lovely opalescent cardstock. And then we have the 5 by 7 envelope for it. So if you're not used to making this size of card and you do watch my video, if there's a 5 by 7 card that you see me make that you like, you'll be able to go ahead and make that because you'll have your card base and your envelope. So we get one in a 5 by 7 and again another opalescent 6 by 6 card base and matching opalescent envelope. So they're so cool and really handy to have. I would use these as a special make, I think, having that. It's such a lush card base to have. Next, I'm going to look at the peel-offs. These are a pinstripe peel-off, and I love the colors in this. It's a real jazzy orange color. Now, I'm hoping that my camera is picking up this color really well, but I have to say it's a really strong, deep orange color. I love it, and I think it'll go really well with our patterned paper. Next, I'm looking at an embossing folder that we have gotten. Now let's have a look and see what size this is. This measures 4 1/8 by 5 7/8. So again, for your American size card base, this will work perfectly. It has nice depth to it. It's not one of the extra deep ones, but I think this will probably emboss beautifully. You can also cut out the banner and you could put a different sentiment there if you wanted, but really lovely. It's nice to get embossing folders in our kit. Next, I'm going to look at the stamp set. This is the stamp set this month, and it has 2 sentiments. It has a wreath and it has 2 separate flowers. So our sentiment is, and I'll try and read this correctly, "You will always be my friend and best friends forever." And that's really lovely. Really, really nice. Next, we have a couple of dies, and they're in a little Ziploc bag. So let's take them out and have a look. So we have Be Happy, It's always easier to read it from the back. We also have 2 flower dies, so these can be layered one on top of the other, and that will make a beautiful little flower. So it's always nice to have something like that in our stash. We also get these beautiful embellished pearls, so it's like a pearl with teeny tiny pearls all around it, and these have adhesive on them as well. And we get a nice amount, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rows. So that's perfect. We also get some string or baker's twine, depending on what you like to call it. There's all different colors in this, and they're really lovely. They're actually, it's like a braided twine. I don't know if the camera can pick that up. I'm going to zoom in so you can have a little look see. But we get it in this beautiful orange that goes with our peel-offs. We have a navy, a green, a pink and a white. And we get a lovely amount of that there as well. We get some sequins. Lizzie loves to put some sequins in. And this is just a little sample bag that we get. These colors are so pretty, and there's 3 different sizes of sequins in here. We have like an iridescent pink and an iridescent cream color, but I love these. I think this is such a soft, lovely palette of colors in here. And then finally in the kit we get these. This is a pack of ephemera. And if you watch Crazy Paper Chick, that's Alicia on YouTube, she loves getting ephemera. She makes some great cards using it. And don't forget, there are other designers as well that you can look at for inspiration. There's Christy Marcotte. She's Best Things in Life Are Pink. There's also Ella Art and Craft. And myself, and I know the other designers do a great job at giving inspiration. So these are all the ephemera. We have lots of little tickets, a little bird, camera, another bird, some gemstones, some cut aparts, a little radio, telephone, life is fantastic, another tickets, a little cup, love that, more tickets. We have a beautiful floral, another floral and another, some more tickets, another lovely little cup, some more floral pieces and tickets, another cup. That's lovely. You could like have those stacked one on top of the other on a card, would look really cool. Some more tickets, a train check, some more of the florals. These are beautiful. Another little radio, a little tag, another tag. You could stamp here because this is a pull apart. Memo. Oh, this is like a little faux postcard. And another. So that is everything that we get in the kit this month, and I think you will agree there is quite a lot in the kit this month. So I'm looking forward to crafting with this kit. There are, like I said, add-ons. I'm going to leave links down below to Lizzie's unboxing as well as her add-on video that will show you everything that you can add into your box. But I did get some products from Lizi. First of all, the extras that I got are these 2 peel-off sticker sets. So there's 4 peel-offs in each one. This one is an iridescent and it's a kind of a pinky red hearts. There's 3 different size hearts. We also have the silver in 3 different size hearts. We have the white 3 different size hearts, and then this is like a matte gray or silver 3 hearts. So I love this. This is all the hearts, and I love putting hearts on and these type of peel-offs on my cards. And if you've seen my latest post, you'll see I did some thank you cards, and I used some of these style of peel-offs on that to embellish the cards. Then we have the pinstripes. We get them in a beautiful pink, lime green, holographic, and this gorgeous like purple lilac color. Really, really fab. We also have in the add-ons this sheet of pattern paper. It's a 12 by 12 sheet. I'll just take that out so you can see it. This is beautiful. It picks up the images of the flowers, ephemera, but it's got foiling on it, and I hope my camera is doing this justice. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love this pink color in the background as well. Absolutely wonderful. And then another thing I got in my kit, which I asked for. I'm so bold, aren't I, asking for products? But I loved these nesting dies, and you know me, I love a nesting die. But the hearts are fab, and I don't have anything like this in my stash, so I know I will use these regularly. So Lizi added them into my kit for me, and I'm going to make something using these dies. But I definitely would recommend that you have a look at the add-ons that you can get, and if you purchase anything on the add-ons and you're a subscriber, you can have them put in your kit, so you're not paying any extra shipping. So I definitely recommend that. So they're the add-ons that I got in my kit this month. And we have the kit itself, so I'll just move these over a little bit out of the way. I hope you enjoy the products that you've got in your kit. Keep an eye on this space. I'm going to be crafting with all these goodies. I'm going to be making 10 cards using the kit. So until next time, folks, stay safe, take care, and bye for now.